Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Steve Murakami. I'm the Lake Washington School District Construction Manager. And today we're excited to bring you a virtual tour of the new preschool at the Old Redmond Schoolhouse. Today with me, I am joined by Alec Weintraub, our Construction Project Manager with the district, and Matt Lane with McGranahan Architects. So Matt's going to give us a guided tour, and we'll show you what's going on inside and out as we get ready to open up the Old Redmond Schoolhouse for its next chapter.
Well, outside the building, we're excited to be restoring the exterior envelope to as close as we could get to the original building that opened in 1922. We've done a full upgrade of the exterior brick. We've repointed the brick and replaced any brick that was faulty with matching brick. We've gone through and any of the windows that were faulty, we've either replaced or repaired, and gone through and really taken care of any of the previous water intrusion issues as much as possible around the exterior wall. We've done a re-roof up at the roof area of the building, and really, as you can see, it's starting to look much better and much more closer to how it's originally intended.
And Matt, as we walk around the building, you see that we've replaced all the wood siding and all of the metal fascia panels that create the soffits and overhangs around the building. Let's go back and let's go inside the building and we'll check it out.
All right, well, welcome to the preschool. You're coming into the main entry here in the main lobby, what it's going to be. You're seeing the reception area and the staff area back here. This will be the new reception desk. It's not quite in, but you'll see that it will also have a sliding security gate so that it can be closed off after hours if there's any activities after here, after closing that down. You've got administrative offices back here and meeting areas back behind that area that can be secured. And then this is the reception area for people as they come in to the preschool. And we wanted to make this, one of the main concepts is to make it very welcoming so that children and their parents could feel really connected to the place, and it's very welcoming and light and open as you come in here. All right, so as you come through the reception area here in the main lobby, there's a security checkpoint here. You come back through, this is a room, it's used for the community, it's used for parents as they come in with their children, and you have teacher planning back in here. So this is kind of just a nice flexible room, nice and light, that can be used both by staff or by the community. There's teacher planning rooms back here. You see that we've left some of the original historical elements of the building, which is also one of the main design concepts. This is an old original slate chalkboard, so it's kind of fun to see some of these existing elements as we come through the building to show some of the history. And this, again, is just a flexible space, part of that idea of being very welcoming and creating these connections between preschool parents and the staff and the children when they come in, to feel like it's a very welcoming place and it's a place they feel like is their own. We have a kitchenette back here for staff to come and eat lunch during the day. It also can be used for these events with parents and the community, so they can come in and, again, feel like a sense of ownership and a sense of belonging really in this historic facility. There are areas in here where staff can gather for to have monitors along this wall, have group activities, as well as activities with parents in the community too. So it's a nice flexible space that's conducive to all those things, with food right next to it as well. All right, well, right now we're walking through one of our typical preschool classrooms. And we went to a lot of effort to save or replace the windows, but maintain a lot of the nice natural light that's coming in that you can see. We've got new technology coming into the teaching wall here to the south. And this is a nice large room for a variety of preschool activities. We've got a linoleum floor to allow for a variety of those activities. And as we come into this center area, the way it's organized is you have two preschool classrooms that basically share a wet restroom type of area. And so that allows us all to be open, to be able to easily be monitored as the preschool children go back and forth. and so that we can share some of these spaces. This right here is a activity space for art projects, things that are wet. We'll have sinks here. We have restrooms right behind here with a little more privacy, and we have some storage for those types of activities. Changing area back here on this other side of the wall. And this allows for kind of that balance of being able to monitor where the children are going and keeping track of them, but allow some privacy for some of these activities back in here.
And here we are up on the roof of Old Redmond Schoolhouse. As you can see, everything up here has been touched. We have new metal on all the parapet walls, on all the old gym roof. We have a new 2-ply roofing system. Underneath this roof, we have a new seismic diaphragm to help strengthen the structure, as well as new insulation to help save on energy. Before we started work out here, there was 100 years of equipment that had built up on the roof. We have since gotten rid of all the old equipment, all the hazardous materials, and we now have a nice clean roof that should last us more than 30 years.
As you can see, a lot of progress has been made for the new Early Learning Center at the Old Redmond Schoolhouse. Thanks to Lighted Construction, McGranahan Architects, we're really close to the finish line, and we hope you enjoyed the tour.